Anthony mentioned earlier about the 2009, we woke up and had more virtualized servers than really, if you will, physical servers. Phil, let me turn it to you since you're our tech guy on the panel today. How do you get there? What's the point? Because if I'm already virtualized, aren't I already 3/4 of the way there? Or am I at the very beginning of this long marathon?
You're actually at the beginning. The good news is it is a very logical, safe, stepwise process. The first step has to be to look at the physical infrastructure, particularly the packet forwarding environment that exists. Right now, you're locked into what Anthony discussed before, this highly rigid, north-south oriented, very capacity planned network. We need to throw that away, and we need to start looking at a new paradigm, which is fabric infrastructure. You know, Brocade's was the pioneer of fabrics. We've been building fabrics for IT applications for over 20 years. I think we have the right to talk about this technology. It gives you scale, flexibility, and persistence that is the beginning of this process. On top of that, you begin this process of experimenting with network function virtualization of virtualized services, first statically and then dynamically. As you deploy more and start moving them, you need to control them. So the next step is the control layer, which is the orchestration layer. We recommend people look at OpenStack, which is an open standards orchestration environment. And ultimately, for your cloud to be fully automated against this programmatic input, you need a software-defined network controller. And we also recommend and have supported the Open Daylight Initiative. All of these technologies, Jason, are not pie in the sky. This is not slideware. Brocade can provide every one of these today to you.